Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a very short video answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video I made about lambda value failure. In the ITV test, I will leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. Well, the question is, if there are gas leaks between the junction of the exhaust pipe and the muffler, what happens to the lambda value? Of course, when the ITV technician inserts the probe to do the gas test. Introduce it at the end, okay. From the outside, if this loss of gases occurs here, it will happen that just as gases are lost, air from outside will also enter. And as it is prior to the probe, then, when making the measurement, it will detect an excess of oxygen in the mixture, and normally the lambda factor will fail and it will always come out as a lean mixture. An excess, as I said, of oxygen. Well, here is this video. Short. If it has been useful, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.